everybody, today we're going to factor by grouping. We have the four terms 12xy plus 20x minus 18y minus 30. Looking at all four terms, you notice that we have a common factor, which is 2. So the GCF is equal to 2. Let's go ahead and factor the GCF first. So factoring the 2 from the first term would be left with 6xy. Factoring 2 from 20x, we'll be left with 10x minus 18 divided by 2 is 9y minus 30 divided by 2 is 15. We just factored the GCF. Now what we have for term, we're going to try to factor by grouping. So let's try separating the first two terms from the second two. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's leave the 2 out. Let's include the bracket here. The GCF here is from 6 and 10 is 2, and x is common to both of them. So we factor 2x from the first two terms. And we're left with 3y. You can check if this is correct by multiplying this times this. 2x times 3y is 6xy, and that's what we have here, and that is correct. Plus, factoring 2x here would be left with 5. 5 times 2x gives me 10x. Now, factoring the GCF here, the GCF between 9y and 15 is 3. However, we may also choose negative 3, so we can factor out the negative 3, and that would be a better idea to do that, to factor out the negative 3. So factoring the negative 3 from the first term will be left with 3y. So you can check it. Negative 3 times 3y, that gives us negative 9y, and that's what we have. Now we need to have something here that would give me a product of negative 15. So what do I multiply here with negative 3 to give me negative 15? It would have to be plus 5, because 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Now looking at our example, you notice that we have a common factor, which is 3x plus 5. Okay, so now we can factor out the common factor. Don't forget the 2 here. Factoring out 3y plus 5 from the first term would be left with 2x. From the second term would be left with negative 3. So we just factor by grouping our example. I hope you find this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.